Do you want to overlay photos on Instagram post? You can overlay pictures over an image on the Instagram post with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to overlay photos on Instagram post. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. To add overlay photos over another picture in an Instagram post. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are in Instagram, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, at the top of your profile, tap on the plus icon. A pop-up menu appears. From here, select Post. Now, choose the photo you want to use as the background from your device gallery. Once you select it, tap on the Next button. Now, you will see various options at the top of the screen. From here, find and tap on the photo icon. A new screen will appear with the photos from your gallery. Select a picture that you want to add over the previous image. Now, you can resize the overlay photo using your two fingers. If you want different styles for the overlay image, tap on the picture. You can also add multiple photos in this way. Once satisfied with your post, tap on the Next button. Lastly, add a caption, tags, and location if needed, and then tap the Share button to post the photos. By following these simple steps, you can create an overlay of photos and post them on your Instagram account.